Is this cat afraid of water? This cat is known to be the most curious, and this time he is in confusion. He saw something dripping on the object he thought is edible. He still saw it and he tried to touch it. What happened? Oh, never mind, he is still confused.
This cat thinks the one in the mirror is another cat. It's so scared, but it's also really cute when it's scared. Maybe it actually wants to be friends with its own reflection in the mirror.
This bird is very obedient when it's perched on its owner's finger. It's also very gentle and clean. Maybe it wants to sleep too. Ha ha ha.
美眉今天缩蛋条条。
Don't you？ 我是一个对你别犹豫的小丑。Oh yeah， 每天保加利亚玫瑰的精油，沉滴在他刚才牵过我的手，横冲直撞，我的心像一颗躲避球，谁都爱停在手里多久。